mamoko. Toka wadonjo e weche mag kedo gi mibadhi en ni doho ong'ado ni karan machon ma kaunti ma Homa Bay nyaka duoko omenda maromo $26 million mane ochul min ode kuom orak mane girem timo. Doho koro chiwo thuolo ne duol makedo gi mibadhi EACC mondo lu kendo one ni Boba Kefas mane en karan e tin kaunti mokwongo ma Homa Bay oduoko omenda go. Doho olero ni min od Kefas nomiyo orak mar tij kaunti e yo ma ok opuodhi kendo ne ok otime kata ne ok otimo tich mane ochulene. Crispin Oloso kod Enoko Kiti ma en director mar duol makedo gi mibadhi e alwora ma South Nyanza.
Of Homa Bay, and we let the same be referred back to the state for the use for public interest. This is an investigation that had taken place a little earlier, and the matter was filed in 2018. The process is complete, and that's how we were able now to get the judgment in favor of the commission yesterday. And I think that's why you guys are here to find out more about the same. Basically, the brief about it is that we were dealing with a case of conflict of interest. As I've just told you, Bob Kefas was the clerk to the county assembly, and his wife, who was also a proprietor of Anyangume Enterprises and working also as a health worker in Marindi Health Center within the same county. This entity, the business entity they had, was getting money from the same county assembly where the accounting officer is the husband, Bob Kefas. And this very firm had not even been pre-qualified to offer services to the county assembly. Now, when these monies were traced into the account of these Nyangome Enterprises, the signatory of whom was the wife herself, we were still able to see that part of the funds were still getting out of that same account to Bob Kefas, who was the person authorized to transact on behalf of the county assembly. So that's how the conflict of interest came about. So we are happy that we've gotten that favorable ruling and judgment in favor of the commission. Maybe I could also mention that much as we've done the recovery, there is also still a criminal matter which is going on the same fraudulent acquisition. We are normally two-pronged. We go for the crime, at the same time we go for the proceed. So far what we've done already is that we are withdrawing the proceed of that crime, but the criminal aspect is still a matter which is before the courts. And we still look forward to get a favorable outcome in the commission's favor. Yes.
Okay, recently we had a vote.
Kawadhi mbele.